What up? We back. We live. Yo, still girthy on the day, brother. Yo, I stay girthy. Bro, those fucking shorts are amazing. Stay girthy all day, baby. Yo, you took a punch. Yo, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Hey, man, I give you guys the heads up. Don't trade at lunch. Dude, I traded at lunch. I made some money at lunch. Yo, I traded this. All this. I just wanted to do this too. Fuck, man. Yo, so what happened, Kid Poker? What was the full story? What was the full story? What happened? This is how to take a quick scalpy McScalperson. What was the full story? Yo, I'm taking for anyone that wasn't on earlier, 3 prop firm payouts today. Locked in. Locked. Just follow the rules, baby. I thought I was on an eval, but oh, yeah. Dude, yes. Now that you said that, I remember it. That happened to me twice. I blew the accounts, though. At least you got out of them. I blew 2 or even 3 accounts doing that. Yeah, I did it last week. It's so stupid. Yeah, I did it a couple times. I was freaking annoyed. It sucks because you work so hard and literally in 20 seconds, it's all wiped out. Oh, dude, you were way over the threshold. Why didn't you request it earlier? Dell, you're about to steamroll the homies. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know. Yo, what up, Double O? Oh, you got a payout already. Okay. I get it. I see what happened here. Well, it's all good. Let's just make it back. Let's make it back and then some. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man, look at this dump. Dude, I wanted to short it. I mean, I scalped it, but this looks really bad. Look, this is the 15-minute. You got the, well, see, I don't like playing the 3-bar reversals when it's down already. I want to see 3-bar reversal up. But look, if you follow those bearish candles, look, it happened right at the top. Right at the top. You could have caught you could have caught a lot of points. Lot of points. A lot of points to be had today. Have myself a little frappe. Dude, you video yourself after the mistake? Yo, what up, Akash? Dude, I did it on the live stream, man. Everyone got to watch as I was like, no! Yeah. Yep. It happens, man. Check the link. What'd you put it in the disc? Oh, Dell, what day was I on Top Step TV? March 10th. And I'm going to be back on Top Step TV next Thursday, next week. I'll be on Top Step TV. Dude, March 10th, I was on it, and I'm going to be back on it March 27th. I didn't see you post it in I don't see it in the Discord. Do they block? No, I'm here. I'm in the Discord. I don't see it. I'll take a look though. Really? Here, watch. I just typed in the chat. Do you see it? I just typed it. I just typed, Keith, do you see this? Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Oh, I just went to go do something. I don't know what I was going to do. Oh, you can't post it in this chat, Keith. YouTube doesn't allow you to post links. I'm the only person that can post. Enter channel name just subscribed. Well, welcome to the stream. Enter channel name. Yo, Josh. What up, man? Yep, big old 42, brother. Big old 42. Best trade this week. What'd you do, CT? Oh, I know you're having a little rough week. I guess you busted out. Yo, all I know is CT, I'm smashing the 350 candle. Just really pour it on. You shorted from the top orb? Yeah, that's freaking nice. Yeah, that's real nice. You know what's crazy is if you have the higher time frames on, you got the signal right here to short. It's crazy. The bat signal. This looks like shit. This looks like we're going way down. Dude, I'll be honest with you, Ray. I could see it. I want one more bounce. I bet you we come all the way down here to 759. I would assume we're going to bounce at 800, which is like right here. I'm not interested in trying to find the bottom, but if they could bounce it up, I'm interested in taking it short. I mean, they just keep dumping it. Oh, ES at 50. Yeah. I mean, honestly, the last like week or so is kind of teaching everybody to play to the downside because a lot of people don't play to the downside. What up, Alex? Look at the trend line down from 11 a.m. What, like that? I mean, you could call this, you can call it like this is probably the trend line. You got 1, 2, 3, somewhere around there. Dude, you request, whoa, my man. Yo, we got a bunch. Dude, a lot of people, me, you, and someone else are all requesting payouts from Take Profit Trader tonight. I think Alyssa Trades is. That's who it was. Yo, you can get daily payouts. So after you request, so here's a little tidbit, Alex. You're going to request. Do not trade the account until they pull the money out and then trade the account, because what you don't want to happen is you don't want to request, you trade the account, and then it drops a little bit, and then they deny the payout. So when you request, just kind of chill out and don't trade it until the money's out of the account. Yo, a daily payout party, baby. Ain't that the truth? What up, Nizam? Yeah. It's nice because if you have another good day tomorrow, you can just pull it right back out. I've scalped my 50K account until now, reached. Oh, geez. So why'd you wait so long? Why'd you wait so long, man? I would have pulled that out. I would have pulled it out a while ago. Dude, that's nice. So what are you going to pull out? You're going to request like 6,200 and then I guess they take their cut? Dude, you made $8,245 today, Alex. Would you just ride it short? Did you just ride it short with like two minis or something? That's wild. All right. How do I log into Quant Tower? Quant Tower is a little bit, I'm not going to call it difficult. So Quant Tower, You're gonna have to hit the rhythmic button at the top, and then the sign-ins all come down. It's gonna look like this. And then you choose rhythmic. I'm just playing the 9. Playing the 9! Let's see if we get the only thing I'm worried about, obviously, is you have 800 right here. Yo, Alex, I would request every last freaking nickel. If you have $64,245.50, I request that 50 cents. Bro, I request the whole thing. You know why? What happens if you blow it up tomorrow? You'll be kicking yourself that you didn't get all the money. So we swept. I normally only play the first 20 minutes of the sweep, personally. But yeah, if you get above 826, you'll be targeting 850. 826 would be the entry for me, how I run it. I don't know if we're going to get there, though. If we get under 800 here, I would never do this with a funded account, by the way. What did we say it was? 850, 840, 46? Go. I'll ride it. Above 5K, you gotta switch it to a Pro Plus account. Once you go Pro Plus, yeah. Once you go Pro Plus, it'll be 90-10 split. 100%. Don't trade at lunch. So technically speaking, yeah, 50-49 is the cover. I don't trust this, though. But I'll play it actually up to right here. Right before the 34. So what you're going to do, Alex, is you're going to request it. Oh, I'm fucking taking that. I just got all my loss back plus more. I got my 750. Yo, who called that out? Who just called this sweep out? Trader Hacks. Good fucking call, bro. That was a good call. I thank you very much. I appreciate you, man. Because I wasn't looking at it at all. Let's see if it goes back. 849 is the target. Let's see if it hits it. 849, 850. Me personally, like I would be out right here on the 34. But let's see what happens. How do I get the login for Rhythmic? They send it to you. Or if they don't send it to you, it's in your dashboard somewhere. What on Take Profit Trader? I don't know where it is because I've never done Rhythmic with them. Yeah, Nutsack. On my birthday, too. Yo, on top of it, I locked in a Top Step payout for $950. And I locked in a Take Profit Trader payout for like 135. And I locked in a Apex payout right here for $500. Am I copy trading any of these accounts? Not today. This is all fucking manual. My safety's right here. Yeah, I locked in 3 prop firm payouts today, and then I obviously made a lot of money. Dude, I'm telling you, I've been seeing the markets amazing, like super amazing. I had payouts every day the last 10 days except for yesterday. Yesterday broke my 10-day streak. And the only reason I didn't get a payout yesterday was Take Profit Trader didn't take my money out of my account, so I couldn't trade it. And then I had a Top Step account. I could have taken a payout, and I just fucked it. I would have played this bounce to 34, and that's where I would have exited. But the actual exit is 49 or 50, right? It's the opening candle for the 2 o'clock. The opening candle for the 2 o'clock is at 8:48 is the actual take profit area. But I would get out at the 34. But hey, listen, you guys got to trade your own way. Have you get it yet? No. Yeah. They ended up paying me this morning. I got it. This morning I got I got it. Yeah. Yep. That's why I was able to do it. Oh, this? Trader 205. You talking about this down here? You can get this. So this is the minis, micros on ES, Nasdaq minis, minis, micros, the Dow, and then under it there's gold and whatnot. And it's just the percent short that people are that are on Tradeovate. How you get this? You click this button, you go over to Pulse and drag it, and you'll get it. This is my Take Profit Trader accounts, Alex. I'm up pretty much everywhere, Alex. I'm up $400 and something in my funded futures funded account. I passed the my funded futures account. What's up, Bartolo? I got to start it up. Usually, it's not where I hit a button. It's not just like one button. What size account do you use for what size? I typically use a mini. I'll usually go one mini. And if it's something I think I'm going to hold longer, I might do 5 micros if we're like really moving around that day. Yeah, that's probably how I would go. I usually trade a mini. Yeah, I have Quant Tower up right now. That's Quant Tower. I have my AMP account in Quant Tower. Yeah. What up, David? How about when you're trying to get around the intraday drawdown? Usually my drawdown doesn't get too low because I try to take gains on the way up. I don't like let it move around. So I don't ever have like, unless I get smashed, and then I'll go micros. I'll go 5 micros to build it back up. And that's how I'll do it. Yeah. Yeah, things are going good. Things have been going good for a while. I got 3 prop firm payouts locked in today. Oh, man. Can you trade all prop firms at once on Quant Tower? Yes. You're gonna have to pay $30 a month you have to pay $30 a month for their add-on, and you could do all the prop firms. Actually, their copy trader at Quant Tower is probably the best copy trader. Their copy trader just always works. Never have any issues with it. Always works. Quant Tower probably is the best copy trader. Outside of that, I use Replicanto. But yeah, Quant Tower is legit. I'm just looking to see if have you made profit? I'm just making sure I answered everyone's questions. I feel like this is just trending down the whole day. After the morning, we've done nothing but trend. But I'll be honest with you. I kind of like days like this because it's easier to follow the trend up when we're going up, and then on the way down, you're just playing bear flags. I mean, if you look, this is all you're playing. Bear flag, bear flag. I mean, it's just one after another. I mean, you just keep doing the same thing. There's no real other strategy that you really need except you just kind of wait till it breaks. Do you know if it's fast to transfer money to my bank from PayPal? Wise transfers money like instantly. It's almost like a crypto wallet. Like when I request money with Wise, I get it like almost instantly in my account. I got trapped trying to follow up. Oh, recession ready. What up, Luca? Yeah, I think I'm going to go Quant Tower. I use Replicanto now and it's never failed me. No, Replicanto is good. Quant Tower is also like the UI, like the platform. I actually really like Quant Tower. Trader 205. I blew up my Bullnox account, so looking to get a take profit trader. It's a cheaper option than going back to Bullnox. The problem with Bullnox now is they only have a Bullnox now doesn't have 91% off, so it's 83. So I wouldn't buy a Bullnox account now. I'd wait for the 91 off because they also have the $150 of activation fees. So I would definitely go take profit trader has no activation fee currently. Yeah. Not only do they have no activation fee, it's freaking, I think they're the best. The no activation fee, 30% off, and you can get daily payouts. Like I've been taking daily payouts with them for a while. I'll probably always have a pro account with them. Yo, Sean, you just won a My Funded Futures giveaway. Awesome, bro. I like My Funded Futures. They're the easiest person to get a payout from, but there's definitely rules in the account, obviously. What up, Marco? Robert's back. What up? What up, Flip? PG's in the house. Yo, it is like my ATM CT. I've literally was just taking money out like every day with them. Yeah, Bullnox 91% is where it's at. Who's getting paid in the chop? I feel like I am. You passed your first challenge account today. That's awesome, Enchanted. Yeah. I'm not so worried about I'm not so worried about volume. I like how clean we're moving. Like we're moving pretty clean right now. You know, it just seems to me I like how everything's going. You know, that's how I would go about it. You know, I hate the chop. I want to see clean action up, clean action down. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see I don't want to see chop like we had earlier in this week. Like that's not what I'm looking for. You know, that ruins my whole thing. That I don't like chop. I like to just kind of go one way or the other way. Oh, I'm just scrolling. Yeah, take profit trade has been my favorite as well. Apex PA fees are getting spendy to activate. Yeah, yeah, Josh. Yo, what up, Vicious? Yeah, take profit trader having no activation fees. I'm in on that. Um, obviously I got a lot of Apex accounts because they were 90% off. You know, I wait for sales, and when the sales come, I stack up, and then I just keep trading the accounts and get payouts and wait for the next big sale. And if there's no big sale, I kind of weigh my options on what is the cheapest for me to get a funded account. Oh, dude, to take a reversal on a day like today, super hard. I'd be looking for more of a rejection off of like here. So we've rejected once, two, three. This could be the fourth rejection at the that's the 21 on the 5, which is the 105. Maybe wait until it inverts this little fair value gap at 44. If it does, I don't, you know. Yeah, Coors. Well, on top of the daily payouts, they don't have any rules really. Like you can make somebody in our chat just made $6,245 today in Take Profit Trader, and they're going to withdraw it today. Like there's no consistency rule. They made money today. They're going to withdraw it. Marie has her first payout today. Marie's taking her first payout. I'll get her with the clap again. Dude, we got a lot of payouts in this chat. There's a lot of people taking payouts today. A lot of payouts. How long do you have to wait for the accounts to be activated after passing them? Take Profit Trader, it's usually like the next day. The next day. Dude, I'm just a normal guy. CT, I'm just here hanging out with you guys. It's funny, you gave me probably the best trade. I think I love the 350 trade, bro. You have no idea until I get crushed on it today and blame you, but that's okay. I'm just messing around. I'm loving that though. Yeah, by 7 a.m. the next day, you'll have it. So on the 5 minute, Oh, I might take this. I would not take this in a funded account. The P&L looks better than the pros on Top Step. Yeah. I tore it up today. This is the worst possible entry ever. But just don't follow this. Do not follow this. I kind of took it because it was inverting this on the 5. And I think we could travel up to like 918. I want to see it trade out of this. Been riding this jam, right? Yo, just move your stop up. That would be a crazy move back to 20,000. Back to 20,000 would be a crazy move. I feel like if they get over the 200, you would have a wild I'm still holding. I just got a super bad entry. It logs me in the quant tower with DX feed, but not rhythmic. That's weird. Yo, what up, Liam? This is just an eval. What up, man? Welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome, welcome. Please close the live the moment. Wait, what? Please don't close the live the moment I join like last time. Oh, I think I saw you. I think I saw you say something, and I was heading out already. My bad. My bad. Nah, we all good. All good, man. I think I saw you mention that in the Discord also. I was like, no, it was, that's that. If you want to join, it's free. If you have any questions or whatever, if you got questions when I'm not around, feel free to hit me up in there. You know what's crazy is actually that hourly sweep thing actually worked, where it moved back to 852 before the hour was done. I would have closed out here though. When we hit the 34, I was out, but it's just interesting how that happens. Super interesting how that happens. This would be the place to bounce. Otherwise, this smoked. I just blew an eval. Fuck. I thought for sure we were coming up to 906. Dude, there's no buyers. Look at this shit. We're down 300 points, and it's just controlled selling the whole way down. That sucks. That sucks. I thought we were going to reverse. That sucks. $300 points, 125. Dude, we're at 20,100 all the way down to 800. It's 300 points. It's 100 points down and then another 200 points. 20. We went from 20,100. Yo, thanks, Pine Tree. Yeah, that's why. I mean, listen, I paid $15 for it. So that's kind of why I got them. They were smasher passes. You know? Okay, I'm looking overall, I guess, since 6 p.m. Yeah, I think how many did I pass today? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I blew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm 4 for 9 right now. Yo, if your pass rate is 4 for 9, I would be happy with that. Even if I blow the next one, my pass rate would still be 40%. I take 40% all day. You got to remember, though, once you get it funded, you do not trade the same way as you trade an eval. Just remember that. You don't just fucking go wild. You know, you kind of grow the accounts as if it was real money and not just smash or pass them. You know, that's why I tell people, this is only in an eval. Don't take this in a funded account because it's not a trade that I would take with my own money. You know, it's just a trade that the probability is lower, but it is what it is. Oh, I'm looking overall. Oh, you're looking at what we're down today. Yeah, poker. I was just talking from the top how we just sold off 300 points, and it was just like it's so controlled of a selling too, just slowly selling. Yo, I'm getting in this thing. That's all I was saying. It's just like working itself down. But you are right. The daily does not look terrible, by the way. Like where I get my bias. I know we're down today, but we have an inside day. So basically, this candle is inside of yesterday's candle. Yeah. If tomorrow we go over 20,123, this would look really good to the upside. Yo, what up, Luke? Luke's in the house. Luke Moonwalker. Love it. What up? Yeah, so, I think it looks good for, we broke this trend. This was the downtrend. Kind of broke it. Usually, though, when you break these downtrends, what happens is you break the downtrend, right? You trade up a little bit, and then it comes back. It retests the downtrend, which would be down here, and then bounces for real. That's what happens a lot. So like we'll break it. We'll go make lower lows, maybe to 18,700, and then have the real bounce. I think we're closer to out of the woods than going down lower. But I also see us, like, honestly, I could see us just flopping around trading in this range for 6 months, where we're up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit. And us as futures traders, you just got to play, you're playing, within the day, within minute candles, I just like to get a bias on where I think we're going, and it makes trading a little bit easier for me. Whew. Oh, by the way, if you haven't rolled over your contracts, you should be trading M contracts right now. NQM contracts. We've rolled over. So just make sure you're trading the right contract. Yeah, so tomorrow is I think it's triple witching, right? I don't think it's quad. I think it's triple, right? Is it quad? Quad witching or triple? Oh yeah, it is. Quad witching is tomorrow. Yeah, because it's the quarterlies. Dude, that's going to be wild. UBS is absorbing Credit Suisse's liabilities tomorrow. Oh, geez. Dude, that's interesting. Yo, Credit Suisse, wow. That's been ongoing though for a while, right? The UBS Credit Suisse thing has been going for a long time, right? I feel like that's not new. Not new news. It's just starting tomorrow. By the way, if you get Quant Tower and need me to show you how to set it up, I can. For anybody in the chat that doesn't know, after hours or something, I can show you how to set it up. I know a couple people have said stuff about Quant Tower. I obviously use it and can show you if you need help. Don't treat it launch. All right, market. You're struggling with setting it up. I'll look into it. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Credit Suisse collapsed a while ago. Yeah, he asked for an $8 billion guarantee from the Swiss government to ensure they don't go under. Yeah, I remember that. Free longs? Always. Always free longs. Yo, what up, Chad? Oh, just trying to make $1, man. I locked in some payouts today and just trying to add on to I passed 4 accounts, trying to pass some more if I can. I think it's trying to figure out if it wants to go back up, or we're gonna drop it like it's hot. Drop it low, baby. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see what happens. I mean, look how many people are long. Everyone's long down here. Long and strong. Dude, I can't wait for my birthday dinner. I'm getting freaking sloppy ass Mexican food, like where the cheese is coming out of the burrito. Actually, I'm going to get two different types of burritos. I'm going to get one that has like plantains and like barbecue in it. And then the other one, I'm going to get I might get a more traditional one. But my kids get a mac and cheese with chicken nuggets in their burrito. They have like a fried chicken mac and cheese burrito. Well, it's my birthday dinner, so my wife's today's my birthday, Luke. Yo, I'm 42 right now. You know what they say, right? Don't kiss mommy on daddy's birthday. That's what they tell the kids. Yo, then spend the next 24 hours sitting on the can. Yo, I might have two burritos. I might have two burritos tonight. Yo, Racer. Racer gets it. Oh, man. Right? That's probably it. Yo, what? I guess your birthday just happened because I'm at the tail end. I'm at the very, very end. I think what is it? Tomorrow, the next day, it switches, right? Dude. Oh, yeah, the 4th? Yeah. Man, I love Mexican food, man. I'll eat Mexican food every day of the week. I'm all in. So I am swinging one contract. I'm swinging one contract, and I got to stop at 8:42. But it's in an eval. It's not even. Yo, you just turned 36, bro. I wish I was 36. My genetics. I don't. Is that a good? Do I look fucking? I feel 42, man. Bro, I'll wake up in the morning and I'll be like, man, I am exhausted. What up, Sam? Yo, you turned 40? Woo, baby. I remember turning 40. 40 was good. Victor, you've been wicked out all day? Damn, I turned 60 in a couple of weeks. Damn, bum. Yeah. I would say I just know, like, I get up, man. Yeah, it does go by quick. Yeah, I keep hitting the gym. That's pretty much what I tell everybody. This is just an eval. Seeing if they could pump it just a little bit. Just a quick daddy pump. Come on. Give me like 10 points out of this. Come on. Come on. I just want to get the account green, get it going in the right way. When you stop moving, dude, you ain't kidding. So my dad is 71 or 72 and still boogie boards and surfs like every week. My wife thought my dad was only 60, but he's 72. We keep it moving in my family. We don't stop. Yo, I try to stay young, man. I got a lot of friends that are super young. I got a lot of friends that are like in their 30s and late 20s. So they keep me young. Keep me real young. Can't stop, won't stop. You know, those young guys, man, they keep me partying. They keep me doing things and partying.
Oh, hey, everybody know ain't no party like a Diddy party, so.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah.
Seriously though, those young guys, they ask me out all the time. Keeps me young. Yo, I still get carded when I order a drink. I most definitely do not get carded when I get a drink. The only caffeine I get is with my whiskey. I had really good whiskey, by the way. If you're into whiskey bum, look at I think it's called 10 Mile Distillery. 10 Mile. Yeah, 10 Mile Distillery. They're in New York. Yo, ain't no party like a Cove party. Yeah. Yo, you guys will see when we meet up in Vegas. But yeah, 10 Mile Distillery. Their vodka is really good and their whiskeys are amazing. I was swinging it up. Let me see. I sold out in this account. I'm still in it. I'll just show you. My stop is 838, and I'm looking for it to just expand out of this zone upward. I might add another one. Oh man. Leslie. Oh, Leslie Kate. Welcome to the stream. Yo, if you're in the chat, Leslie, say what's up. It's open floor for anyone. Anyone can say what's up. You're diehard JD and Coke? Oh, yeah, I'm not there. I actually don't even drink that often. I typically only drink when I go out or if I'm at someone's house or something like that. Other than that, like I don't have a drink at night unless it's like the summertime. Bro, I forgot to hit the button. I didn't watch it. You know why? We streamed so late. All I had time was to do was shower, eat, and I got right back on the stream. So I didn't have time to do anything. Dude, if it's good, I'll use it as a video. No, I know not to. What up, Billy? Fucking somebody told me in the chat, they're like, yo, Sean, there's women and kids in here. I was like, I can't hit the button on that. Jesse, Vegas, baby. Yo, we're going to do a Vegas meet. At what time can you request the account? Yo, when they update at 10 p.m., you can request it, Alex. After 10 p.m. Yeah. Don't request. No, Sean posted a video in the Discord, which, by the way, if you find a funny video and you want me to make a short out of it, I love the content. So send it over there. But somebody played it and said that it was not women and children approved. So I don't know what it looks like. Yo, I just sold out of that position, by the way. Who just asked me? I just sold it. Who just asked? I got to scroll up. Somebody asked me if I was in it. New York whiskey? That's questionable. Yo, it's so good. Oh, Luke, I sold out. Thanks, Ray, for being a Karen. Yo, hold on. I got to get water. Hold on one second. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Woo! Yo, we got 10-year-old trading prodigy in here. Wait, what? Who's 10 years old? Yo, we going back to 760 for the close. I think we're... Oh, you think we're going to drop? Dude, that would be... honestly, that's not good for the market if we close down here. You want to close like up here for the market. My entry sucked beanbag, but watch, I'm going to get stopped out again. Come on. Come on. Yo, you never know. There might be some young kid in here just listening in and just, I don't know, or somebody's kid. Never know. Actually, this is a funded account right now. Dude, that was a nice hit. That was a nice hit. Yo, people bring their kids to Cove Care. Yo, what up, Prelim? Yo, DJing kiddos nowadays. Yo, what was weird is I just refreshed and the 200 moving average freaking moved. Oh, there it is. You see it? It just recycled now. Dude, Tradeovate is weird, man. That was weird. You held from 800? That's a good hold. Hold! Dude, I feel like a lot of people are getting payouts today. Cove, LL, just saved the funded account with $19 of drawdown. Jeez, I wish I started trading when I was 10. Yeah. I started when I was right out of college. I started like 2007, 2006, 2007, right out of college. I started trading. I went to school to become an accountant, and I knew that wasn't the way. There you go, Joseph. Yo, just keep stacking the gains, man. Just keep stacking them. That's all you could do. Yo, what up, Kaba? Oh. Dude, I feel, no joke, I feel like I tore my muscle in my shoulder or something like that. Yo, we gonna bounce? Yeah, bro, starting Excel spreadsheets all day is not the way. I did IT for 10 years and started trading like 4 years ago. How much do I make a year trading? I make over 6 figures a year trading stocks and options. Not futures or anything like that. How old is my business? I started my business in 2012. That's why. Whoa, Rodney. Welcome to the stream, Rodney. If you're on the chat, come say what's up. I started in 2012. That's why I took 5 years off of trading. I couldn't trade every day and keep it going. Forex nurse, yes, it's $2,000 the buffer. Once you get over $2,000, you can just withdraw any amount of money you want. Yeah. There is no profit ceiling. I'll be honest with you. Your best bet is multiple streams of income inside the market where you have stocks, you have options, you have futures. Like futures is great to make the daily money. You know, you want to make daily money, futures is it. But then you could also have something that gives you dividends. You can write puts. You know, you can do quite a few things. Are you not going to fucking hit that? Come on. Jeez. Yeah. That's usually what I say is you have a little bit of everything. Dividends. If you have stock, you can write calls against your stock to collect money every month. Holy shit. Did something just happen? But yeah, that's what I tell everybody is you should have a little bit of everything where you can make, you know, you can basically cover your rent, you know, your rent, your cable, a lot of your basics with dividends and writing options. And then you could make daily money with futures. So it kind of takes the edge off of needing to make the futures money every day. That's where you want to be. Trump just farted. Jesus. Where is I'm looking for something. Where is it? Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. No, 760 is real close in this market. Yo, 100 points. It's actually, are we breaking right here? That's the trend. I don't think we're going to break it. Only because we already came down. I bet you it touches it and bounces and then breaks. You're going to have a touch, a bounce, and then a break. That's what I think. And then you're going to target probably all the way down here. Get the bounce, maybe to 59, and then roll back over. Chop, sit, hey. Yo, they bringing back the Chappelle show? Chappelle show. They need to bring that back. That stuff was hysterical. Happy birthday. Where's the party at? Yo, I'm going to break out the Diddy oil in a little bit. Make sure you stay around. Are we breaking? Yo, I got a happy birthday balloon. I heard the parties in Cove Shorts later on. Dude, like they come in here just completely mess the vibe up. I'm going to get stopped. I knew that was going to happen. They come in, a ton of noise. We getting lubed up. Yo, I got 1,000 bottles of Diddy oil waiting. Just waiting. Dude, whoever thinks we're going to go down, I think it's going to drop. I so feel like we're going to hit 756 at some point. Like if I was in my personal account, I would have been short and my stop would be above 944 to right now. The only positive to the upside I see is you have a higher high and a higher low, but it just kind of seems flaggy. You know, like I think it's just taking a breather to go lower. Yeah, I'll just leave my happy birthday balloon right there. Oh, everyone's texting. What do we got? What's going on? What's going on? Yo, you been catching that bottom, baby? What do you? I guess you're using micros. Yo, Sean, man, you know I'll definitely make the short, Sean, all day. I love that. I love doing it. I'm going to take this again to the downside. I got an awful fucking entry. I don't know what happened there. I hit the button. We were like here, and then all of a sudden it just freaking Flash Gordon down. Whoa. Arson Frog, what up? What up? Welcome to the stream, brother. If you're in the chat, say what's up. Hit the button, baby. I would be afraid to play a funded account here, to be completely honest with you. Yo, what up, Alfred? I think my funded accounts might be done for the day until 350. By the way, who's smashing the 350 candle? Yo, it's my birthday today, Alfred. What up, Corey? Corey doesn't say hi. It's okay. What up, Carl? Jay Fisk is in the house. I'm going to try full porting 10 minis, dude. The thing with 10 minis is you got to hit it like you get no room to breathe. I always go 7. I always go 7 minis. Birthday bash. Yo, I wish I was 21, man. See, if you go 7, it could still move around about 20 points before you get stopped out. If you go 10, 15 points and you're not even, 15 points and you're out. Thanks, Waldo. 350 is going to be up. Yeah, this is, well, I didn't even have to hit the button. I'm smashing or passing the evals, though. I think I'm 4 for 10, 40% pass rate today. I can live with that. Well, I think we may see 734. I thought we were going to break personally. Right there would have been right here would have been the rollover spot. The fact that they're moving this back up is interesting. The fact that they're moving it up is very interesting. We might just swoop this whole thing like a rounded bottom and come right back up hard at the end of the day. We only have 24 minutes though, but we might run it real hard here into close. You got the pivot point up at 918. You got bullish engulfing right here on the 15. You're kind of breaking this trend on the 15. Like, check this out. This is interesting. You know, if you're looking at the 15-minute, you're breaking the trend to the upside right here. That's exactly what you're doing. Stochastics are turning up. You're breaking the trend. It looks good on the higher time frame, but just remember, the 15-minute chart takes time to play out, and the market closes. The market closes in 23 minutes. Dude, Jules, you just passed that with that one push? Would you just go all in? Yeah, Garen. That's the only thing I'll say is I used to do 10 all the time. And the problem with 10 is if it, like, argument's sake, say you got in here and it just wicks down a little bit, it could blow you out real quick. And you got the move right. But that's what was happening to me. I was getting like wicked out. So I went down to like 7 or 8, and it just gave me that little more wiggle room. And that allowed me to pass more accounts when you're playing the all-in game. Believe me, nobody likes the all-in game more than me. It's freaking awesome. I just use these orders. But if I'm going all in, I don't do anything. I just go all in and just go. I'm trying pass or smash, baby. Cove, let's get that whiskey now. I know. I wish I could go for some. I think I'm gonna have a drink as soon as the market's done, probably. I'm trying to think what accounts I want to play a 350 with candle with. That's what is it? A lot of Wix? Wixite? This thing's cruising. I'm gonna want to play. So I'm looking to see what I want to do. 920. All right, we're gonna risk it for the biscuit here. I am gonna play 3. Yo, thanks, cats. Yo, how old is my brother? My brothers are 29. Well, one's 8 years younger than me. So what is that? 36? So one's like 36, 30, yeah, 36. Is that right? No. 34? 34, 29. No, yeah. Anywhere from 29 to 36. So I need to go to 89. And I'm going to play dude, I got little Cove screaming out. Hold on. Holy shit. Nah, I just turned 42. So my brothers are anywhere from 29 to 36. I'm older than I'm older by a couple of years before I get to my the next closest brother. Am I taking a trade the next 7 minutes? I don't know. Maybe I'll see what happens. I mean, we would have to break through this line for me to take it. Or maybe we get over 883 for a scalp. But as in this is let me get out of this account so I don't accidentally trade it. Yo, I'm the big brother to everybody. Yeah. 350 YOLO? Damn, Alfred. Yeah. It's so funny. I didn't realize how many people I might just take this. This is just an eval. Let's see if they just rip it. I think they're going to bring it. I'll take that. $400. Oh, I agree. I took it in here too. So let me just. Nah, we're going to race 420. 420 is the time. Oh, baby, there's 4 minutes. 4 more minutes. I swear, if this thing works again, man. You can enter right now. Do Cove Trader. You got to be following the channel to enter. So if you're not following the channel, that might be why. I think you have to be a subscriber. I mean, you probably are. Yeah, you should be able to enter. Dude, you can, trader. You can. You just got to stick to the same rules that you always, whatever your strategy is. But what do? You get the funded account and then you just go bananas? Like, do you just get it and then you're just going, you know? What's up, Chill FX? What's up? Yeah, CT, I hope. We'll see what happens. You will see in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Yo, thanks, dude. Thanks. We're popping. Yo, I'll be honest with you. I usually switch accounts after I make about anywhere between 150 to 300. I'll switch to another account, man. Gooch candles incoming. Oh, baby. I mean, for the market in general, I want it to go up. I don't want to be, I just got my alert. All right, let's stretch. Let's get ready for this. Yo, CT, I swear, if this works again, man, I don't know. If this works again, dude, I don't even know what to say. So before I do this and you follow, do not follow. Do not follow. We are up. I've done this 4 days in a row and we've hit every day. So if I lose, I'm already up. I'm up 80 points already. So there's no need. Like, if I lose, I'm still up 40 points, 40 ticks. So don't. It's a risk. It's a risky trade. I know. I'm in minis. I'm gonna just. Oh shit! I almost did it in the wrong account, dude. I almost did it in the wrong account. Wow! Thank you very much for telling me. Make sure I'm in minis. Almost just did it in the wrong account. Fucking ridiculous. I don't love it to the downside, to be honest with you.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Oh, I got it. I fucking got it. I fucking got it. Oh, bro. I hit it in 192. Dude, I hit it in 192, 183. I hit it in some of these other ones. Bro, who the fuck got that? I got $345 in this account. I got it in this account for $300. I meant to do it in 164. I didn't do it. Yo, pounds, high fives all around, high fives. Who the fuck got that? Oh, you did 12 points? Oh, dude, 12 points is a lot. I did 20 ticks. So I got 5 points. How'd you roast 2 funded accounts? We all made money. Tough thing about analytics, dude. Yo, Lenny, that was crazy. Dude, it's straight cash. Straight cash. Yo, that just put me up. I'm almost going to take a payout in this account too. Yo, how wild is that stuff? That's the fucking... No, you don't even need to trade all day. You don't even need to trade all day. Just wait. Just fucking wait. Yo, every day we do it in here. Every single day. Dude, I only copy traded 3 funded accounts. I'm trying to figure out which ones I did. I did 180. I did 189, 192. And 183. Yeah. 183, 192, and 1. Dude, that was 3 funded accounts. I got $300 plus on that candle. Plus, I got some on some PA accounts. I did like 2 PA accounts. The 350 boner. How many minis? I do 3 minis, and I'm looking to get 20 points. Don't do it too much if it becomes trendy. I don't know anyone that does it except for this room, Edmund. Everybody, the only place I've seen it is us in this room. So if you see it anywhere else, I don't know anyone else that does it. Fucking straight cash. How much you got to make in my funded futures? 5 days of $100, and then you could pull out money. Yo, that was awesome. That was awesome. Yo, fuck yeah. I'm trying to just scalp this thing real quick to the up. I'm going to get smoked. I feel it. I feel it. He does it, but uses the 21 EMA. I have no idea how you would. Holy shit bags. I just caught that. What the fuck was that? Oh, that's the 350. That's the other one. I don't do that one. No, I agree, Edmund. That's why they originally shut down the opening range trade. Too many people were doing it, and then now they allow it. But yeah. $355 is the other candle that does it. Yeah. That just, dude, I didn't even realize it. I was in a, dude, I just got that in a freaking eval. Yo, that candle was bigger than the 350 candle. The only issue, though, is I like how the 349 candle is not a large candle. I would have gotten worried with it being larger because you're not getting in until at 889. This one was nice. Yeah, 355. The 21 EMA bounce at 350. Yeah, I don't know. Listen, I just stick to what we're doing. We're freaking making cash money. Oh, man. Josh stacked in these PAs. 400, 400, 500, 500, almost 600, 600. That's a lot for PAs. 340. Actually, I could probably request a payout tomorrow in this account if all goes well. Word up to everyone else who lost a funded account today. How do you know which way the boner candle would go? I play both ways. If you go back to 350 on the stream, you could see I put an order up here and I put an order down here and I got filled on the way down. So how I do it is if we're moving up, I'll put this one in first because I know I'm not going to get clipped. And then at the last second, I'll put this one in. So whatever we're further away from, I do the further away one first at like 10 seconds left or 5 seconds left. And then with 2 seconds left, I do the other one. Wow. Free shorts? I don't even know. I mean, there's a minute left, so I don't know what way we're going to go. It's only 1 minute. I mean, we're closing about 100 points above the bottom, but way off the top. We're closing like 200 points off the top. Today's an inside day. Do you have any hotkeys set up for Fed? Nah, I just click it. I click it. I just, click. Boom. You can watch how I did it. I do the one that's further away from the candle first, and then I go. One day I did it in my Take Profit Trader Pro account and I made $800. I'm not saying to do that, but I am saying if I get 3 pro accounts, I'll take 1 pro account and just do it. I know a lady who plays that setup with option straddles on inside candles on a daily chart. Dude, there's so many little strategies within the market that you could do. We just closed. Yo, for my birthday, I am so glad that 350 hit to just put a icing on the cake. Just an icing on the cake. Big question is, how far am I away from another payout? This one is $600 away. And then I got a lot like that are a little over halfway. One, 2, 3, 4 will be okay. I was thinking about only doing it. I was thinking about only doing the 350 candle. Yo, that's nice. Dude, that just helped me though. That was good. Yo, an extra duck. What do I get if I win? Actually, you know what? You just reminded me. I got to email Kron. Markets don't go. Yo, what up, Bob? Yo, we crushed it today. Yo, BK, if I get another pro account, I will only do it. I mean, I definitely blew some accounts today. I blew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I blew 6 evals. I passed 1, 2, 3, 4. So my pass rate today was 40%. Oh, that was crazy. That was crazy talk. Dude, I got 3 payouts coming my way. I got a request today. Putting on 2 minis at 250 at Asia Open. Oh, geez. Wait, at 250? Do you mean 6 o'clock? I don't think you could put it in beforehand. I didn't know there was a 330. What's the 330 candle? Dude, 330 candle was large today. What's the 330 candle usually look like? Is that another large candle all the time? I'm just going to look back at yesterday real quick. Let's see. I don't know if I trust 330. I've never noticed a 330 being a large one. Oh, a 250K? Yeah. Smash or pass a 250? Gold, baby. Gold. Gold during Asia is where it's at. Damn, gold is freaking high. When gold finally dumps, this thing's going to dump all the way down. This is going to be an epic short. Just how it was to the upside. What up, Piano Trader? I do the 351, and I do the opening candle, the 930 candle. So I have the 930 opening range, and then I have the 350. What up, Rayu? Yeah. You know what it is? The last couple days, if you look, like the majority of the day, like the 15-minute orb doesn't come into play. Especially on the bottom, like because we're traveling around. They changed the rule on it. Yo, thanks, man. Thanks. Turned 42. They changed the rule on that, chill. Yeah. Rule change. I grabbed it today. I don't know what account I grabbed it in, but this was the 930, and I got it right to the downside. They kind of loosened it up, so you can kind of do whatever you want. Except you have to obviously have the drawdown. You got the drawdown. They don't want you staying in a trade and like being down like $800 or something like that. That's improper risk management. And then you got the consistency rule of 30%. Other than that, you can DCA, you can bracket, you can do kind of whatever you want. Yeah. I'll be honest with you. I might start doing this in my personal account. Like I have a personal account. I might light up one mini and every day just get this candle in my personal account. Dude, I wish I was super young still, man. I wish. Dude, today was a wild, wild day. Today was a good day, though. Yeah, I still feel young. I still play sports, stay young, go to the gym. You know, still feeling young. Wow. I'm 40 and everything started to hurt. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. I don't know if it's like I have a couple nagging things that bother me every once in a while, but like I played sports my whole life. I went to college on a scholarship. Like I still play. I think I'm just so used to things just kind of hurt. Like I always had like, oh, this is sore. This is sore. Like I think it's just part of it doesn't bother me just because my whole life there's always something that was like, oh man, my hamstrings are sore. I played baseball, basketball, all through high school, and then I played Division I baseball through college, and I still play baseball with college kids. I still play with all the young kids. I'm the oldest, dude. I'm the oldest. We'll play other guys, and like their old person on the team's like 25. Yeah. But oh, you missed a 350? Kevin, I played it in three funded accounts, and I think I played it in two or three evals as well. And I did 3 minis, and I made between $300 and $350 in all those accounts. scoliosis and bad case of smallpox. How'd you play it? I bracket traded it. Order above, order below. Just, like this and like that. And then we hit it. I play. Here's
the market is closed.
You're not going to trade tomorrow? Why? And there it is, 20 points, 40 stop loss. You got to remember, this is the 5th day in a row that I hit for it. So I'm up 100 ticks at this point. So I would have to lose 3 straight times for me to be negative on the trade. Mondays and Fridays, you just fucked. Yeah, I mean, I don't not, Friday's quad witching. Tomorrow's quad witching. So it's going to get real interesting with quad witching. You're either going to get, I think it's quad witching tomorrow, Alfred. Quad witching dates 2025. Yeah, it's the quarterly. Yeah, quad witching dates March 21st. It's quarterly. Quarterly contracts are up. So you're going to get a couple things. Either we're going to just chop all day long, or you're going to get violent moves up, violent moves down, like 100, 200 points up, 200 points down, or you're going to get a massive move one way or the other. I know it sounds crazy, but the violent up and down gets wild. But I think the last one that we went through, it was just a chop fest up until like the last 30 minutes. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. Now's the time, by the way, if you're in the chat, you got questions about prop firms, indicators I have on my screen, anything. Now is the time to ask because I could bring it up on my screen and show you. So now is the time. If you got questions, I have answers probably. If you have prop firm questions, that Google Doc will probably help you. Fire Dragon, welcome to the chat. If you're here, say what's up. If you request a payout with Bull Knox, you don't have to trade it until they take it out. Yeah, I didn't trade mine. So I requested mine on Friday, and I didn't trade it from Friday until they gave me my money. Yeah. I would not trade it. If you request on Friday, I wouldn't trade it until Wednesday, until you get your money. Yo, bring that Diddy oil tomorrow? Wait, you have a CFD account. Should I leave it open on close? I'm in the middle of a buy. I honestly don't know, but I would cancel. I don't trade now, so I would cancel everything. I cancel everything now. I don't like trading after hours, really. I normally lose, and I had a pretty good day, so I'm not trading anything after hours. CFD, yo. No, I caught the down. I caught the downside on the opening candle. Opening candle, caught the downside, and that was my opening range trade. Earnings? Let's see what earnings are. I think there's no earnings unless it's the Chinese companies. Yeah, PDD was this morning. Actually, Micron. Dude, MU and Nike and FedEx are all tonight. Let's see what Micron did. Micron is up 6%. FedEx is down 4%. Nike is... Did Nike report yet? Nike is basically even. I don't think they reported yet. Yeah, I don't think they reported yet. And then you got tomorrow, you have Carnival Cruise in the morning. Neo in the morning. Lithium. Yeah, nothing big tomorrow. Most people trade futures in here. Lenny Forex is a different world, man. Bullnox discount is only 83% right now. You can use coupon code COVETRADER, but it's 83%. I would say, David, honestly, I'd wait until Bullnox offers 91%. So don't go out and go get a Bullnox account until they reduce it. Oh, how many points do you aim for on the 350? 5. 5 points, 5 points, three minis. It's up $300. Nike beat, they're up 2%, almost 3%. I was looking to buy Nike stock, to be honest with you. But I think Bill Ackman invested a bunch. Yeah, Forex. I only say to get Bullnox when they're 91 off because the activation fee is high. Right now, I would get My Funded Futures or I would get Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is no activation fee. My Funded Futures is no activation fee. I have all the costs on here too. If you get a Bullnox account, do not get anything above 50K. If you look, the activation fee goes from 150 to 250 to 500 to $900. So do not just don't get any account over. Don't get any account on my fund on Bullnox over 50K. Yeah. There's definitely perks of both. Once you hit a certain level, like my drawdown in my funded account doesn't go anywhere. My drawdown stays the same. My drawdown stays at $50,000. So it never moves. Basically, it's a static account once you hit the buffer. How many points away from the market price should I set my bracket orders? I set it at the high and low of the 349 candle. The high and low of the 349 candle is where I go. If you want, just go back on the stream until 350. You could see me do it live. You know what I'm saying? Like you could see it live. I enter everything at it. Damn, Ray. Ray's got a ton of points. I don't even think I have that many points. Ray, you got 19,000. But yeah, Kevin, you can go look at the thing. I would look at the 349 candle, 349 on the stream, and you could watch me do it. Yeah, that's the best bet. I don't gamble my points to get them, though. Oh, damn, Ray, you just lost 9,000 points. I mean, really, the points are only there to stop people from creating a ton of accounts. Makes you have to be on the stream for a little bit. Oh, man. All right. Last chance. You got one more minute, and we're going to run this thing. One more minute. I'm going to start setting it up. All right. We're starting to set this bad boy up. Oh, dude, it stopped. It stopped real quick. It stopped taking entries at 2:45. Anybody want to enter? Right now is the time. Right now is the time to enter. I just opened it up. That's my fault. I set the timer wrong. So if you want to enter, do it right now. You got so the points allows you to enter the duck race, but really, if you're just on the stream, you should have enough points. It just keeps people from signing up like 50 accounts and entering at the same time. It kind of keeps it like that. Yeah, my bad. I set the timer up wrong. So you got 2 minutes, and I'm going to turn it off, and we're going to start this thing. My bad. I mean, if you're in already, you're in already. It's just for anybody that didn't get in. It's not new. It's anybody that didn't get in. All right. Everybody should be in. I think everybody's in. So, all right. I'm going to get this rolling because it's my birthday and I got stuff to do. So, hold on. We're going to. Yeah, see, like 10 more people just got in. All right. Let's roll. Let's roll with this. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe. Also, if you're subscribed and you're not getting notified, if I go live, you got to hit the little bell at the bottom and get notified. Otherwise, Google doesn't always do it. Being that there's so many people, we're gonna have to run 2 duck races, and then the winners are gonna go against each other. We do these account giveaways all the time. If you want to support the stream, which allows us to do the account giveaways, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do it. And also, it should automatically give you the best deals that are out there. Right now, Apex 80% off. Bullnox is 83, but I wouldn't do that one. Take Profit Trader is 30%, but no activation fee. And My Funded Futures brought back the discount with the coupon code. So, all right, let's get this going. You ready, boys? This is whoever was on in the morning. So if you weren't on in the morning, this isn't for you. This is whoever was on in the morning stream. Morning stream winner versus afternoon stream winner for the free account. We're going to do Apex 50K or Take Profit Trader 25K, whatever you want. Whatever you want, boys. I should do this one. Either this one or the other one. Quack, quack, baby. Come on, push it. Who do we got? Where am I? They got to get these ads off. Fucking hate ads. There you go. Like Amazon ads. Like, come on. We all know Amazon's got stuff. The winner chooses, BKR. So whatever you want. If you win, it's whatever you want. Prelim, were you on in the morning stream? This is only people in the morning. This is the 10:30 to noon stream. Yo, Dell, you here? It's 4:25. It's 4:25. You got 2 minutes. Dell, are you here? Add unblock origin. Oh, that's interesting. Dude, I'm going to I just put that in my notepad. All right. Dell, you're here? Nice. Okay. You're going to race somebody else. Let me load this up. Dell is one of the people in the finals. I am going to set this up. We are going to only run it for a minute. Set it. Set it and forget it. Yeah, Dell, you still got to win the final race. This is everybody that was on today. This is afternoon. Yo, still questioning his choice of videos on Discord. Let's see what happens. Wah, quack, quack, baby. Dude, I gotta find me. Where am I? Where am I? Dude, I don't even see my duck. Damn, Luca, you're out front. Oh, Mad Moxie is moving up. Mad Moxie is moving up. Flip. Vicious. Whoo! Yo, it's 4:27. You got 2 minutes. You got to 4:29. Are you here? Are you here? Okay, hold on. Let's see who wins. Names. Edit. Dude. The fuck? Oh, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got? We got the Viking versus. Yo, do you see that France was talking about taking the Statue of Liberty back from us? Good luck getting that. Oh, baby. Yo, we should have done the ball race. We should. You know, next time we do the ball, the ball one. Yo, Dell, shoot me an email. Oh, dude. Yo. Oh, man. Yo, his stamina ran out. They make a pill for that to keep you going. Oh, yo, this was a good day, man. This was an awesome day. This is actually the first day ever. Yo, later, CT. This is the first day ever I've gotten a payout request from 3 different prop firms in the same day. Dude. I feel like so many people got payouts in our chat today. Like, I want to say I saw like a ton of people saying they were getting payouts. A ton of people. Yo, let's blow some accounts tomorrow. You had your biggest day today. Marie got her first payout. Alyssa got their first payout in Take Profit Trader, I think. Dude, there's a couple people that were getting payouts today. Alfred's getting a payout from Take Profit Trader. There's even more. I just feel like there's more. There's a lot of payouts today. Freaking crazy day. You're going to tweet him and Elon with the designs? Oh, man. My new strategy I'm using, man, I was able to... Dude, that's awesome, Chad. We're using next gen? Oh, my eyes. Are you using next gen? Or different script? Yeah. I have it up on my screen. I'm going to look at it after hours or tomorrow. I'll take a peek. Oh, dude, I am. If you get it, let's talk. I can tell you how I trade. I'll test it out, Chad. Listen. I'm one of those guys that listen. If you tell me something's good, I'll give it a trial. Like, you know, I feel like, yeah, Dal. I'll email you right after the stream. Like obviously I'm profitable, so obviously I have like my own strategy, but I'm always open to learning other stuff. You know. Yo, don't gamble all your points though. Don't gamble them all. Yeah, because what happens is people gamble them all, and then you know, and then everybody is like, "Oh, I have no points. Can you hook me up with points?" And I'm like, now it's a pain because I got to then go in the back And, you know, I got to go in the back end. I got to find your name. I got to add points. Like, it's just a huge pain. But take my money. Oh, I'm in need. Dude, if I had a day like today every day, it'd be freaking wild. I'm looking at this, though. It looks good. Yo, does it go on? Yo, Chad, does it go on TradingView? I'd rather, yo, all that gooch candling has paid off. Bro, that thing's worked. I just feel like if you only did that, they might ban it. If you only did that, you know. But I think if you make, you know, it's just a trade during the day, I think you're fine. They have a TradingView setup, but I don't use that on TV. I use the software. Ooh. I mean, I'll take a look. It's just another piece of software that I got to run. Look, dude, I'll be honest with you. If you guys ever get into like, whoa, Rigoberto, have you gotten payouts before or no payouts? Are you brand new or like have you been? If you're brand new, I would say Apex. If you have gotten a payout before, I would say Take Profit Trader. Both have deals going on right now. Chad, the thing you use is T3 Fibs, right? That's what it's called, T3 Fibs Pro Trader. Yeah, I would go Take Profit Trader. You take daily payouts. They might if you put on the coupon code. Yep. Yeah, go Take Profit Trader. They got 30% off right now. It's 30% off. No activation fee with the coupon code. Here you go. 30% off, no activation fee. The no activation fee is nice because if you're coming from Top Step, you don't have to pay that 150 bucks. There is no $150 fee. You just go from eval to funded without paying. So it's well worth it. That's the way I would go. My funded futures, you need to have 5 days of $100 or more in gains, and then you can get a payout. You got to remember though, if you only get like $130 a day, when you take out money, you can't go below 50,100. So your buffer is going to be really small if you take money out and didn't build it up a little bit. Yo. Yeah. So Take Profit Trader you won't pay the 150 bucks. That's what I like about it. Yo, I just emailed you back, Del. When does Take Profit Trader promo end? They don't give dates. They just kind of end it. Also, Take Profit Trader has the least amount of rules. Yeah, you can DCA. You can do anything you want. The only thing you can't do is trade 1 minute before and 1 minute after our red folder news. But other than that, you can do anything you want. And yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. The deal is going to stay around. The deal is going to be around today. 100%. The only rule they have is, the evals have a 50% consistency rule. But when you go live, there's no consistency rule. So, like, if you make $10,000 on day one, you can withdraw money. It's not where you got to make 5 days of $200 or anything like that. Like, you could just pull money on day one. Somebody today made $6,200 on day one in their Take Profit Trader account, and they're pulling money. Yeah, so just know that you could pull money out day one, which is awesome. Yeah, their deals stay around for a few months. Their last deal, though, did not have free activation. So the fact that they're doing free activation, I like this deal. I hope free activation sticks around for a while. Nah, you need 1 minute hold time on one trade a week. I didn't hear that. I don't think that's Take Profit Trader. That was from Take Profit Trader's rules. That's interesting. That's the first time I heard about that. I probably held for longer than 1 minute for one trade a week anyways, but yeah, I don't know where that is. I would have to look that up. Yeah, that's the first time I heard it. Yeah, I flip contracts to hit the 5-day mark, Luke. Once I pass, I just flip. Flip, flip, flip. Oh man, I am freaking shot. There's a lot of trading. Dude, I'm ordering food as we sit here. I'm ordering food. I'm literally ordering as we sit here. I think I'm getting my wife wants chicken quesadilla. Peace out, Cub Scout. See you tomorrow. Anybody else have questions? If you throw your email up, I can send. Oh yeah, here you go, man. Yo, also you can always put screenshots in here. This is kind of what I use it for. That's the Discord link if you want to join. It's free. Yo, later, Sean. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's crazy. Oh, man. I'm just looking. Dude, I don't know what to get myself. Quesadillas. Dude, I'm going to get a... I'm going to get myself a burrito. Yo, later. Later, guys. Peace out. If you send me the screenshot, I will look at it and I'll show it on the stream tomorrow. And I'll see if I can find it on their website. But I gotta head out. Actually, I'm not even heading out. I'm ordering my food and I'm gonna go relax for my birthday. So peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Today was a good day. And yep. See you tomorrow at 10:30. Peace.